My name is Jay Manley. I'm Chief Evangelist here at Mekorma. Mekorma is a company that's been around for about 3 decades. We specialize in AP automation. Originally we were on the GP platform, but we've recently moved over to the BC platform as well. So we have a lot of functionality that's really designed for the AP clerk to make their lives better and easier. And Mekorma is a company that really is focused on making the lives of everyone in the world better. We just happen to do it through our software. So if I was to put a value to attending this conference, I think it would be around the fact that there's so many people that come and talk to us and spend time with us and want meaningful conversations rather than just talking to us very briefly on the phone or looking at our website. So coming to our booth, talking to us and figuring out what we do is so important and helps us get those customers in our portfolio. I think my favorite thing about the Doug community is, unlike a lot of the other trade shows that I go to, people have a lot more fun here. If you've not attended this in the past, one of the unusual things here is the amount of costumes that people are wearing here. And it's a lot of fun rather than being uptight about things. When you think about ERP software, it can be kind of an uptight thing, a lot of accountants, but here people are really having fun and I really appreciate that.